Bath and Kitchen Remodeling Henderson.
Design Builders.
Design Builders is a licensed, bonded, and insured general contracting company with nearly 30 years in the industry. Whether it is commercial, residential, or remodeling services, we offer knowledge and expertise that is necessary for an optimal customer satisfaction experience. Our quality of work, timely production schedules, customer service, and ability to deliver on our promise puts us at the top of the list for exceeding expectations in this fast-paced industry.
Design Builders, Design Builders, Design Builders, Design Builders.
Did you know that Design Builders can handle any of the following? New building construction, medical, office, retail, industrial, warehouse, restaurant, tenant improvements, and insurance restoration. Did you also know that we can correct and assist where other construction companies have failed? Call Design Builders for a free quote today at 702-567-1500. Go to our website, www.designlv.com.
Design Builders.
Design Builders. Call us today, 702-567-1500.